Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use the initial voice prompt. Let me show you how to turn it off, and let me show you how it works. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the following list, let's use here this settings icon, so the gear icon. If you tap this icon, you will get access to a list of all settings. From the following list, all you need to do is find here and select the sound and tones. Let's just tap it. As you can see, if you tap sound and tones, you can use one of the following features, one of the following sections. Let's select here the system voice, the third one. And now you can enable or disable the initial voice prompt. So if you use this switcher, you can disable the initial voice prompt. If you use it again, you can enable the initial voice prompt. So let me show you how it works. So if you have this feature enabled, you can say, "Hello Nissan. Hello Nissan."
Say a command.
As you can see, the Nissan say out command.
Cancelling voice recognition.
But if you disable this feature, you can say, "Hello Nissan." Let me do it again. "Hello Nissan. Let's make the temperature higher." "Hello Nissan. Let's make the temperature higher."
Temperature. Please say the temperature value you would like to set. Go
Okay.
back. Cancelling voice.
Okay, so basically what I just showed you, if you have the initial voice prompt enabled, the Nissan will say you some commands, will say you some invitation, some words, but if you have this feature disabled, you can just say "Hello Nissan" and go straight to the point, say your command. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.